Hello, in today's video I'm talking to you about ultimate travel tips for beginners. Every beginner that wants to travel, your journey starts here. Whether you're an old-time traveler or you're a new traveler, you need to know these tips. Just let me take a sip. I'll continue. Thanks for staying tuned. Hey, fellow travelers, welcome back to the Dr. Olugbenga YouTube channel. If you are a beginner looking to embark on your first adventure, you are in the right place. Today, we are sharing some essential travel tips that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. Now, you have to research your destination. Before you pack your bags, spend some time researching your destination, learn about its culture, customs, and local attractions. This not only enhances your experiences but also helps you plan your itinerary effectively. Research your destination. How do you do that? Use reliable travel websites, use reliable travel blogs, use reliable travel forums to gather insights from fellow travelers. Apart from this, you can also ask those who have been to where you want to go, and they are going to share their experiences with you. Number two is that you need to plan your budget. Budgeting is crucial. Determine how much you are willing to spend on accommodation. Determine how much you are willing to spend on meals. Determine how much you are going to spend on activities and transportation. This ensures you have a realistic understanding of your financial scope. Budget planning. How do you plan your budget? Consider using budgetary apps to help you keep track of your expenses on the go. Number three thing you need to consider is pack smart. Pack light. Don't pack heavy things with you as you go. Pack only what you need. Make a checklist and stick to the essentials. This not only makes your luggage more manageable but also gives you room for souvenirs. This is a packing tip now. Rolling your clothes and using packing cubes can save space and keep your belongings organized. Number four is that you need to stay connected and informed. Stay connected with loved ones and informed about your destination. Share your itinerary and keep important contracts handy. Also download useful travel apps for maps, language translation, and local recommendation. Now you need to stay connected. Having a SIM card or a travel-friendly data plan can keep you connected wherever you go. Now, talking about this, using the internet, sometimes you travel, you don't understand the language of the people you travel where you are, and you go out alone to buy something. What you need to do is to go on your phone, and then when you open your phone, you go to your browser, and let's assume you want to buy soap. So you Google on your browser, you Google soap. When you Google soap, you go to images. So it will bring up the images of soaps. So you show the person selling that this is what I mean by soap. So the person will say, okay, this is what I mean by soap. The person will go ahead, pick the soap, and sell to you. You need milk, you go, and the person doesn't understand. Maybe they call milk another thing in the language. You go on your browser, and then you get that information. You show them the picture, they go ahead and give it to you. Then the next thing you need to do is to embrace local culture. One of the best parts of travel is experiencing new cultures. Be open-minded, respect local customs, and try local cuisine. Engaging with locals can lead to incredible experiences and lifelong memories. How do you embrace with local? Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in making connection. You see, I travel a lot, and then people where I travel to, the food I've not taken before, they offer me. I try to take them. I try to taste them. I don't say no. This food I don't know. It's not a wedu. It's not pounded yam. It's not a yam. No, I don't say that. I try other foods also, and it creates a bonding. And you try to learn the language and speak a few of the language with them. They also know their names. Call each individual by name. Everybody respects their name. In conclusion, there you have it, our top travel tips for beginners. If you found these tips helpful, give this YouTube channel a thumbs up and share your own travel advice in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and inspiration. Happy travels, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the Dr. Olugbenga YouTube channel. Whether you are heading to a nearby city or a far off land, may your journeys be filled with adventure and discovery. Until next time, safe travels. Peace. This video popping up right now is the next you need to see. I have made more than 700 videos on this channel. Check them round and you are going to be glad you did. I make a boast. If you keep watching my video for 6 months to 1 year and your life does not change, then stop watching this channel. But I know your life is going to move forward in the good direction. I will talk to you again soon. But before then, go ahead and watch this video. Peace out.